Hi and welcome to my presentation of our newest sensors, the inductive measuring sensors with IO-Link. In rectangular design, we have two variants. This is how you get the sensors from our factory. We have a mounting bracket to position the sensor in 5 different positions, an Allen hex key, and the sensor itself. In my right hand, I have the BI11 CK40, and in my left hand, you can see the NI25 CK40. For this purpose, I will just connect the NI25. The BI11 will be connected in the same way, but for showing purposes, I'm just going to connect this sensor. As you can see, the green lights are already blinking, which is a very good signal that our sensor is working correctly and the IO-Link connection has been established. It's connected by a standard M12 connector, which is going to our IO-Link master module, the TBEN S24 IO-Link, with 4 different IO-Link inputs, and this is getting connected to our laptop by a standard Ethernet cable. As you can see, the sensor has already been detected by our Turck Automation Suite. We can see the name is displayed correctly. It's our NI25, and in this web interface we can change several different things. We can adjust the parameters of the sensor. We have 4 different modes: single point mode, window mode, 2-point mode, and our predictive maintenance feature, temperature alert, which is an IO-Link exclusive feature we offer to show you when the sensor is getting too hot or something wrong in the factory. We have an indicator on our sensor which can give us the signal. We can also choose between our output configuration. We can set it to normally open and also change the characteristics MPN or PMP. In the tab Observation, we can finally see our values on our analog signal. Currently, the target is out of range, but when I put the target in front of the sensor, we can already see the value is changing, and it's corresponding to the distance between the target itself and our sensor. You can see as I'm going further away, the signal is getting higher to our end value. This is my presentation about our 2 newest sensors. I hope you enjoyed it and can use them in your factory, in your specific application. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, and enjoy.